tutorial goes over how you can create a quiz, update settings, and link it to your gradebook in the Canvas LMS. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on your course. From here, you're going to navigate down to the quizzes link. Then you're going to click on the plus quiz button. Then you will click on the questions tab. This is where you will gather the questions that you previously created in the question bank. So click on the Find Questions button. From here, click on the questions that you would like to add to your quiz. Then select Add Questions. Now we're going to click on the Details tab. Here we're going to name our quiz. Then we're going to input a quiz description and instructions. This is going to be a graded quiz, and we want to link it under our week 1. We do want to shuffle answers, and let's put in a time limit of 90 minutes. We are going to allow multiple attempts, and we want to average the attempt grades. So we do want to let students see correct answers, but we don't want to show them until after the deadline. We aren't going to add any quiz restrictions. We are going to make sure to assign to everyone. So then we're going to click on the Save and Publish button. So now if you'd like, you can click on the Preview button to preview your quiz. And then now if we go under the Grades link, we can now see Week 1 quiz has been added to our gradebook.